So, you want to connect GetResponse to your WordPress theme, but don't want to waste time figuring out complicated integrations? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, plus, at the end, I'll share a much better alternative that gives you more flexibility and a longer free trial than what GetResponse offers. Hashtag first. Let's connect GetResponse to WordPress. The easiest way? The GetResponse WordPress plugin. Just install it from your WordPress dashboard under Plugins and GT, add New, then search for GetResponse. Once installed, activate it and log in with your API key. You'll find that in your GetResponse account under Tools and GT, API. Copy and paste it into the plugin settings, and now GetResponse is linked to WordPress. Hashtag next. You need to embed forms into your theme. If you're using a custom theme, you can add GetResponse forms through widgets or shortcodes. The plugin gives you an option to insert forms directly into your pages, blog posts, or sidebars. If you're using a page builder like Elementor or Divi, you'll need to use HTML blocks or custom embed options to insert the GetResponse form. Hashtag now. Let's talk automation. GetResponse offers basic automation, but it's not the most user-friendly. You can set up an email sequence triggered when users subscribe through your WordPress forms, but you might find the workflow editor a bit clunky compared to other email tools. If you need advanced segmentation or better integrations, GetResponse can be limiting. Hashtag a big issue? Page speed and compatibility. Many users report slower load times when using GetResponse's forms because they rely on external scripts. If site speed is important, which it should be, you might want to use a caching plugin or consider a third-party form tool that integrates more smoothly. Hashtag finally, a better alternative. If you want an easier, more powerful, and faster solution, I highly recommend checking out Better Alternative. It offers deeper integrations with WordPress, more customizable automation, and a longer free trial than GetResponse. Plus, through our exclusive link, you'll get extended trial access and extra features that aren't available anywhere else. Check out the first link in the description to get the best free trial for both GetResponse and better alternatives that work better for your WordPress theme.